Soft Skills Training in English. Part 5. Time Management and Self-Discipline. What is time management? Let us start with a simple question. What is time management? Time management means using your time wisely, planning your day, doing the right thing at the right time. Everyone has the same 24 hours. But some people use time well. Some people waste time. The difference is planning. Example: one person wakes up early, plans the day, finishes work calmly. Another person wakes up late, no plan, always in a hurry. Who feels stressed? The second person. Time management reduces stress. Importance of time management. Good time management helps you complete work on time, reduce tension, improve confidence. When you manage time well, people trust you. They say, "He is punctual, she is responsible." Time management is a strong, soft skill. Section 3. Simple daily routine. Now let me explain a simple daily routine. Morning. Wake up on time. Do one important task first. Daytime. Finish priority work. Avoid mobile distractions. Evening. Review your day. Plan for tomorrow. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a consistent routine. Discipline. Time management works only with discipline. Self-discipline means doing work even when you don't feel like it, controlling laziness, staying focused. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Say this to yourself: I will do my work on time. I will do my work on time. Remember, time once lost cannot be returned. Small daily habits create big success. Use your time carefully. Respect your time. Others will respect you. In the next part, we will learn teamwork and workplace skills, how to work with others, how to communicate in a team, how to grow together. Stay with me.
Part 6. Teamwork and Workplace Skills. What is teamwork? Let us start with a simple idea. What is teamwork? Teamwork means working together, helping each other, respecting different opinions. No one can do everything alone. In school, office, or life, we need people. Example: a single person cannot win a football match. A team wins together. Teamwork makes work easier and faster. Section 2. Why teamwork is important. Teamwork helps you learn from others, share ideas, reduce workload. In a team, everyone has strengths, everyone has weaknesses. Good teamwork means you support others and others support you. People like to work with cooperative people. Communication in a team. Good teamwork needs good communication. When you work in a team, listen to others, speak politely, share your ideas clearly. Useful team sentences: let us work together. That is a good idea. Can I share my opinion? Practice with me. Let us work together. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Very good. Workplace behavior and respect. In workplace, respect seniors, support juniors, be polite to everyone. Good behavior in office: reaching on time, speaking calmly, helping colleagues. Your skills may get you a job. Your behavior helps you grow. Motivation and transition. Remember, teamwork builds trust. Respect builds relationships. Be the person people like to work with. In the next part, we will learn interview skills and professional communication, how to face interviews, how to speak confidently, how to answer common questions. Stay with me.
Interview skills and professional communication. Interview fear, why it happens. Many people feel scared before an interview. This fear is very common. Why does this fear happen? Fear of speaking English. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of judgment. Remember one thing. The interviewer is not your enemy. They want to understand you. An interview is just a conversation. If you don't know an answer, it is okay to say, "Sorry, I am still learning." First impression in interview. First impression is very important. Before you speak, sit straight. Smile softly. Maintain eye contact. When you enter, say politely, "Good morning, sir," or "Good morning, ma'am." Your body language speaks before words. Calm body language shows confidence. Common interview questions. Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Many people fear this question. Simple structure. Name, education or background, interest or goal. Example answer. My name is Rahul. I have completed my studies in 2012. I am learning English and soft skills. I am eager to improve and grow. No big words. Simple and clear. Question 2. What are your strengths? Example answer. My strengths are honesty, willingness to learn, and good teamwork. Explain slowly while answering. Question 3. Why should we hire you? Simple answer. I am hardworking. I am ready to learn. I will give my best. Honesty is better than exaggeration. Professional communication. In professional life, speak respectfully. Avoid rude words. Be calm. Useful professional sentences. Thank you for the opportunity. Please let me know. I will get back to you. Practice together. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. I appreciate this opportunity. I appreciate this opportunity. Remember, an interview does not decide your value. It is just one step. If one interview fails, another will come. Confidence grows with experience. In the next and final part, we will learn daily practice plan, how to stay consistent, final motivation. Stay with me. Part 8. Daily practice plan and final motivation. Why daily practice is important. Before we end this training, let us understand one simple truth. You cannot improve English by watching videos alone. Improvement comes from practice. Even 10 minutes daily practice is better than 2 hours once a week. Small steps every day create big results. Don't wait for free time. Make time. Simple daily practice plan. Now let me give you a very simple and realistic plan. 15 to 20 minutes daily. 5 minutes speaking. Speak to yourself. Talk about your day. Example. Today, I woke up early. I watched this video. I am learning English. 5 minutes listening. Listen to English videos. Focus on understanding. 5 minutes reading. Read simple English. Read slowly and loudly. 5 minutes confidence practice. Say positive sentences. Smile and speak. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. How to stay consistent. Some days you feel motivated. Some days you feel lazy. That is normal. On lazy days, do just 5 minutes. Don't stop completely. Even slow progress is still progress. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Final motivation message. Let me say this clearly. You are capable. You are learning. You are improving. English is not a talent. It is a skill. Skills grow with practice. Believe in yourself. Be patient. Never stop learning. If this video helped you, please like and share. Subscribe to the channel for more English and soft skills training. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. If you found this helpful, comment confident below. Like and subscribe for more English and soft skills training. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you soon.